Automatic classification. Click Classification. Pyant Cloud Classification supports two classification methods, by height and by attributes. Classification based on elevation uses ground points as reference for relative height classification, automatically identifying point clouds at different elevations. Successfully separates ground and vegetation by height. Suitable for forestry and terrain variation scenarios. Switch to attribute-based classification. Classification based on attributes such as color. Automatically identifying different object types. Different ground objects classified by color. Suitable for datasets with rich color information. Automatic classification results generated.